So Kajabi's affiliate program had very little love for a really long time. And it appears now it is getting loads of love. In affiliates, it used to be that we could do a percentage of the sale on any transactions for offers that we added to the affiliate center. But now we have options. So the one of the options that they introduced in the commission setup last year was making it a fixed amount or a percentage. So instead of it just being a percentage of sale, you can now make it so that you might give someone $10 or $20 or whatever an amount is rather than a percentage of the sale. If we wanted to add commission, you can do it through the offer when you set it up, or you can come in here. Just looking through this, I do wish that there were more things, but also I have an abnormal amount of offers in my system because this is my test account. So 14 pages of offers is probably not normal. But yeah, I kind of almost wish there were more things on here, but you can search for the offer title now. So it's going to give you a list. If I go through and add multiple things, it is so even if you go through the pages, you'll be able to add multiple things in here. But if we want to add a commission to these, so an apply commission, so we can choose commission percentage or a fixed amount. And if this was a subscription payment, we can collect commission only on the first payment. So there may be some situations where you want to pay someone for getting a new subscriber, but you don't want to keep paying them forever. Or you want to give them a percentage of the first sale, like you might give them 100% of the first month, but then they don't get paid commission ongoing. So now you have that option. So you can pay them once or you can pay them forever. And so you do need to go and check that option if it is a subscription. So it's only going to come up if it's a subscription or a payment plan to have that option. And like I said, you can make that a fixed amount. So there may even be some situations where that fixed amount is higher than that first payment because knowing that it is a subscription, there may be a business model where you decide that it is worth almost paying to get new members in the hope that you're going to make money in the long run. But whatever it is that's a strategy decision, it's good to know that there are options and ways that you can change that. So, is there a way that you can incentivize people? This might be a really nice idea. You might just be able to say, instead of like you'll get 20%, which people may not understand, it may be easier to just be like, hey, for every person that signs up, you'll get $10. And I might go, oh, that's pretty cool, or $100, or whatever it is that would make sense. So you can then choose that. This payout method is just, do you want manual or automatic payouts? Because now you can have it set up so it's a manual payout within Kajabi where you manually work out the amount, or if you have PayPal connected, you can set up an automatic payout. So you don't even need to actually do your payments. Kajabi will just go through when you have things set and make those payments at the time frame that you've got set in your settings. That I like. But the extra cool thing that they've just done, I like tons of challenges. See, new things. I got to remember where they are. Now we have an option to create a challenge either or in addition to the commission payout. So with a challenge, it's actually going to create a leaderboard, which is a very highly requested feature. Leaderboards work very well to help motivate affiliates. So you can use it for a fixed period of time. Like if you're doing a launch, you can incentivize people. But the very, very cool thing, this is one that's already set up, but I'll set up a new one so that you can have a look, because you can't make changes to your setup once you've done it. You can choose which offers that you want to include in your challenge. You can have multiple, and you can set a threshold. So it could be like you set, if you get 2 sales, you will get a certain type of reward. And there are 2 options. One is a custom reward, which is you set what that is, or it is a monetary award. So if it is a custom award, you could be like, hey, you'll win an iPad or something. Or if you make 10 sales, you'll get a one-on-one call. Like you can specify, get a book, get some sort of physical thing like a gift voucher. So you can have that as a custom reward where you type in what the reward is. Or you can set a monetary award. And if it's a monetary award, it will just be added to your payouts along with the regular commission. So I think that is a really, really cool update. When you have the challenge, I do think it is super, super helpful to use things like this to really encourage affiliates. This might be a really easy way that you can encourage sales, especially if it's in the launch period for a new product, where it's like, hey, I can set a date and say it's like a 2-week period, and it's like an extra bonus that you give to people. And you can do it on different rewards as well. So you could have multiple challenges. Like if you know, sell five, then you'll get an extra $20. Or if you sell five, you can have your custom thing, like go in the draw to win XYZ thing. So I love options, and I'm so excited to see big updates to the affiliate center. Like I said, I've been using this forever, since the beginning of Kajabi, and in the last sort of 6 or 8 months is the first time we've seen some really active progress on this, and also that affiliates can see this from their own dashboard, which is nice and motivating. So yeah.